Hello and welcome back. This is Rafy once again. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of creating and setting up a proper Etsy seller account as a complete beginner so that you can start selling any physical or digital product through your Etsy shop and start earning money. To start the process, you need a few things. The first one is an email account. It could be a Gmail account, a Yahoo account, or any other email platform. Then you need a bank account so that you can receive payments from Etsy on whatever you sell through the platform. After that, you need a debit card or a credit card so that you can pay fees to the platform. So if you don't know yet, to sell products on Etsy, you need to pay some fees. For instance, to list an item on the platform, you have to pay 20 cents. And for each of the sales you're going to make, you have to pay 5% of the transaction for the sale. So without further ado, let me take you to my computer screen and I'm gonna walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up a proper Etsy seller account so that you can start selling items on the platform. I'm visiting Etsy with an affiliate link, so now we'll be able to list our first 40 items completely free of cost. So if you were directly coming to Etsy and then starting to create an account, so you wouldn't get this benefit. So make sure you are using any of the affiliate links. I'm going to attach this link into the video description so that you can get this benefit of saving some money. So without spending more time here, I'm going to click on open a shop today button right here. After that, it is going to show us this pop-up option with some of the fields. For instance, you can provide your email address here and then choose a password to sign into your Etsy account. But we have got some easier options. As you can see, you can continue with your Gmail account, which is Google product. Then you can continue with your Facebook account or Apple ID. So I'm going to go with my Gmail account. So I'm going to click here on continue with Google. After that, it is going to populate the Gmail account. So let me select this Gmail. After that, I'm going to click on continue. And depending on the name provided on the Gmail account, it is going to take your names. For instance, you can see welcome Azharul. Now we're going to click on let's do this. We're going to start creating our shop. And after that, what brings you to Etsy? So I'm just starting to sell for the first time ever. Depending on your situation, you can choose any of the options. So I'm going to select this one. I have a business and want to sell online for the first time, for instance. So let's click on next. After that, they're going to ask if you need any help. So you can select any of these options depending on your need, and they're going to send you some personalized emails to help you out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply skip this question. And after that, we're going to click on start your shop. And after that, we have to choose our shop language, shop country, and shop currency. So as I am currently in the United Kingdom, it selected the location automatically. So now I'm going to change the language from Dutch to English. And then I'm going to keep the location here. Then shop currency. For better understanding, I am going to go with United States dollar so that it will be easier for me to maintain the account, because I mostly do all kind of transactions with USD, the international ones. Okay, so I'm going to keep this. So depending on your need, you can choose whatever currency you want to go with. And here, if you click here, you can see the country list from here. All right, now let's click on save and continue. After that, you have to give your shop a name. Don't worry about that. You can change your shop name later from your shop dashboard if you need. But my suggestion is keep your shop name as short as possible and as easy it could be to remember. And if it's possible, then choose a name which is brandable, right? So for this tutorial purpose, I'm going to choose a random name. Let's say Rafy's Test Shop. And then I'm going to click on save and continue. And after that, to progress for the next step, we have to create a listing, and we can create a demo listing here. I am planning to create a dedicated video about how you can add a product on Etsy with proper SEO optimization, which is really important. So now I'm going to skip this and I'm going to provide some demo content right here to speed the process of this video. So I'm going to add a random video from here or add a random photo. So I'm going to select this image. And it is going to be uploaded. Let it be uploaded. After that, an option will be appeared here for the thumbnail, which will be automatically be selected. So I'm going to skip this part as of now. And if you want, you can add a video. For this tutorial, we are not going to add a video because it is a demo content. But for your real listing, I'd suggest you to add a video to the listing. It is going to help you a lot in regard of SEO. So now let's go for this one. I'm going to type out here demo listing as of now. And as you can say about this listing, who made it? So I made this one. And depending on your situation, you can basically choose this one. If you are doing, let's say, print on demand businesses, so you can basically select this one, another company or person. So I'm going to choose this one. I did. and what it is. So it is going to be a finished product, and then what did you when did you make it? So basically made to order or this year. So I'm going to select this year as of now. After that, the category. So let's assume we are going to list a digital product as of now. So I'm going to type out, let's say, digital art. Let's say a t-shirt. Let's see. Yep. So t-shirt digital product. So we can select either this one or this one. So I'm gonna select this one as I'm going to list this as a digital product. So I basically selected this one. Okay. So depending on your product, you have to select your category, of course. Then primary color, I'm going to skip this one. This is optional. This one is optional as well, with height, orientation, framing, and these are the things which are optional. So as it is a demo listing, so I'm going to keep the optional options. And after that, we're going to come here on this part, renewal options. So I always suggest you to keep this one automatic if you want your listings to be automatically be renewed, so that you will not going to lose any sales if your product is good. But if you want to test the products first and then you're gonna renew it yourself, then select manual option, which is gonna work this way as well. So I'm gonna select automatic. Then the type of the product, if you want, you can list it to as physical product. So I'm gonna select digital product as of now. And after that, here's the description, which is really important field for your listing to be found for the buyers. So I'm gonna type out something, let's say, add your SEO optimized product description as of now, and let's assume this is my description as of now. And then if you want, you can add a section to your shop. For instance, if you're creating, let's say, products for flowers, flower related items, then you can create a section for flowers. If you're creating something for, let's say, love, then you can add a love section as well. Then I've got the tag option, which is really important as well. Add 13 tags, or relevant tags, I would say, relevant, and research tags. I'm gonna add this or show you the process how I can add research tags in the next video, where the video title will be how to add a product on Etsy with proper SEO optimization. All right, then I'm gonna skip these things. I'm gonna add a price, let's say only £20 for this t-shirt, and the quantity is going to be 999. Then personalization, we don't want any personalization. So digital files, so we're going to upload our digital files from here. So I'm gonna add this one again. So whenever someone, oops, so the name, I have to change the name. So I'm gonna change it, test, okay, and upload this. So whenever someone will purchase the product, after making the payment, they will be able to download this product. Okay, so now let's click on save and continue. And after that, great job on your first listing, and they're gonna ask you to add more listings on your shop. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna click on do this later. We want to set up the shop first. And then how you will get paid. So here you have to provide more details about where is your bank located, if you are individual or if you have got a business registered, and some other information about your first name, last name, birth date, and things like that. So I'm gonna put the information right here. So I'm gonna select, let's say my bank account is in United Kingdom, and then I'm gonna select individual. But if you have got a business registered, then you can select this option. So I'm gonna go with individual. Then country of residence. So originally I'm from Bangladesh, but as Etsy doesn't support Bangladesh, so I'm gonna select United Kingdom, and then I'm gonna type out my full name here, the last name. Then you have to provide your birth date, obviously. So I'm gonna do mine here. Obviously, I'm going to blur this information for security purposes. Okay, and then the taxpayer address, which is really important. So I'm going to type out my address information. You have to provide yours, and the postcode, phone number. Okay, then share some more info about where you have lived. So I don't want to share this information. After that, you have to provide your bank information. So you have to provide the name and details as it is populated or appeared on bank. So now I'm going to type out my bank name. All right, now I'm going to click on save and continue. And now almost done. We just need to verify a few things. So they want to verify my identification. So I'm going to select this, select issuing country, which is going to be United Kingdom. Then the document type is going to be resident permit. Then I'm going to select the file, and here you go. And after that, I'm going to click on save. Then let's click on save and continue. And now we have to add our card number and billing address. So I'm going to type out or add my card number here. Let's click on save and continue. And here you go, keep your shop extra safe. Now we have to enable the two-factor verification. So I'm gonna get the verification as SMS so that whenever if I forget anything about, let's say, password or things like that, if I have to change, then they're going to send me message. So let me click on continue. And after that, I'm going to enter my number, which is going to be United Kingdom. Then here's the number. Then let's click on send code. They're going to send a code to my phone, which is going to be appeared here. I have received the code here, so I'm going to copy this code from here and let's paste it. Let's click on continue. And then they're going to send you these backup codes. So make sure you are keeping these backups in a secure place. So if you somehow lose your two-factor verification phone number, lost the number, and you're not being able to verify your account details, then you can enter these short codes and verify or log in or access to your account. So if I click on copy codes, so the codes are now copied. Now if I click on open your shop and then click on yes, I'd like to receive tips and updates about my shop and new features on Etsy, let's click on continue to your shop. And here you go, your shop is open for business. Now here you go, we are on the dashboard of our Etsy shop. Spend some time on reading some of these things. You're going to find some tips, tricks, and the best practices about Etsy if you read these things. And from starts, you'll be able to see the starts of your account. From listings, you'll be able to add listings here on your Etsy shop. If you want, you can customize or edit this listing as well. And if you just take a look, we have got free 39 listings remaining. So I'd suggest you to update this listing with a new proper one and then add more 39 listings for completely free of cost. And then we have got many other options appearing here. So to make changes, for instance, if you want, you can, if you click here on this shop editing icon, you'll be able to add something about your shop, add description, for instance. Here we go. You can add a shop title, for instance, this is a test shop. You can add your shop title right like this. You can add a photo profile picture on your shop. So I'm gonna select this one so that it will be added here as our profile picture. I would suggest you to add a custom profile picture for the shop. And let's click on save. It's all fine. Okay, and after that you can add announcement to your shop so that the latest information will get to the people. And then make sure you are adding a photo of yourself as well. And after that, if you scroll through, you're going to find some other options. As you can see, you can add up to 5 photos right here and add video. You can add a story, headline, and story description, which you can add a long one, and you can write the description with proper SEO optimization to get ranked on searches as well. So this is it, guys. This is the process how you can create and set up a complete proper Etsy shop as a complete beginner. Now your shop is ready to start selling and earning money. So make sure you have watched the other video, which is about adding a listing with proper SEO optimization. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.